So today what I'm going to show you is a delicious homemade low-fat macaroni salad. And it's very easy to make, and you should have all these ingredients in your pantry if you're following this lifestyle. And come on over and I'll show you what we're going to use. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is your macaroni. And today I'm a little adventurous. I'm going a little off macaroni tradition. And I saw these at Whole Foods the other day, and they had little holes in them. So just another place where this delicious creamy sauce that we're going to make can fit. And this is the one that I got right here. Now, if you're going to do a more traditional macaroni, then you want to do the elbow pasta. And this is what these look like right here. And this is what I always use, but I deviated this time. So you're going to need 2 packets of this here, macaroni. Then for the actual mayo part, this recipe I got from Tim and Joey from Plant-Based Dads, and I will link their video in the description box below. And it's a very easy recipe. Of course, I double everything because we eat so much. And you're going to need tofu, and he's got a great description on this mori-nu silken tofu and why you use this specific one and not the other tofu. So you're going to need 2 of those, and of course I'll have all the measurements below. You're going to need lemon, you're going to need a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, some mustard powder, and a little bit of white pepper. And I always get questions on where I get my spices. And so I get it from My Spice Sage, and I'm not affiliated or anything with this company. I just love their spices, and they always have free shipping. And so I get all these mustard powders and paprikas and everything from them. So this is where I got the white pepper from. Okay, so that's the mayo part. Then we're going to add 3 more ingredients to the mayo, and that is Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, and a little bit more sugar, and that's it. Then for the veggies that are going to go in to our salad, right here, we're going to use a bell pepper. I usually use a red bell pepper, but I didn't have one. So 1 whole bell pepper chopped, 4 sticks of celery, 1 grated carrot grated finely, and then about 5 scallions, just chopped. So let's get started with doing our sauce. So I'm just going to put everything in my mixer. Okay, so we're going to add everything to our food processor right here, and I'm just going to dump everything in. That's how easy it is. That's it. Now we're going to just mix it. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like. Really creamy and just really runny. And that's what you want. So let me clean up everything and I'll show you how we're going to mix everything. Okay, so I got my big bowl and I'm going to add all my veggies first. And then I'm going to add this creamy mixture to my veggies and mix those up first. Now you're going to think that's a lot of sauce, but the pasta absorbs a lot of this. I'm going to just mix these up. Now I'm going to add my pasta. And this is cooked pasta, and I just lightly rinsed it, and it's a room temperature. And now we're just going to mix everything together. Now, sometimes what I'll do, if I see it's really thick like this, because it will get thicker, is I will take my mixed up sauce and just swish it around a little bit and just pour some water in there just to help make it less sticky. And then what you're going to want to do is once you've mixed everything in, you're going to want to cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. And then when you take it out, if it's still a little bit tight, then just add a little bit of water to it and it'll come back to this consistency. But that is an easy macaroni salad, and I'll show you what we're going to eat it with tonight. So dinner tonight is really easy. I had frozen my burgers, and so I just defrosted those and stuck those in the oven. So we've got burgers and just whatever anybody wants on their burgers, ketchup, mustard, and then of course our pasta salad. Now I had made this for a potluck at our church, and oh my goodness, I had so many people that wanted the recipe. They didn't even know it was vegan. And people, I mean, it was the first thing that disappeared. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.